everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Gershion Polygel kit, and I believe this one is called like the pink and purple chrome polygel kit. I will put the exact name in the description. It is on Amazon and it's pretty affordable. So inside the box we have all of this stuff. There's like a bunch of stuff underneath. So first you just have like a little thank you card, and then you have an instruction kit or manual, sorry. And then we have some chrome powder. And then we also have a polygel brush and picker and some dual forms that has 2 packages and some regular nail forms and a 100 by 180 nail file and some top and base coat, and then some nail surface cleanse solution, which is a slip solution. And then we have these 3 color polygels. So this first one is pink, and that's how that one looks. And then the next one is purple, and this is kind of more of like a jelly purple. I was hoping for more of a darker purple. Then we have clear. I'm not going to swatch that. So I already have my practice hand, and I'm going to be using these Russian stiletto tips. These are from Enailcouture, and my Model 1's nail glue. So I'm just going to glue on these extremely long tips, and I really like them. These tips are actually really nice. So make sure you guys check those out if you need some tips. Now I'm going to be cutting down these nail tips, and I'm using my Enailcouture nail clipper. It's so pretty. It's gold and I just love it. So after I get all of those clipped down, I'm going to go over it with my mandrel and just kind of roughing it out, making the tip and the natural nail meet, well, if it was a natural nail. And then just filing up the sides and making everything nice and pretty. So I'm going to put down a layer of base coat, and I'm going to put that on all of the fingers and then cure that for 30 seconds. So we are going to start off with this pink, and I'm going to be 100% honest, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm going to be using the base coat gel as the slip solution. So as I was saying, I don't know what I'm doing like design wise. I'm just going to completely freestyle this. And I also wanted to talk to you guys just kind of where I've been, what I want to do. I'm trying to ombre this, but you would have thought I learned my lesson by now that you cannot, it's not really easy to ombre with the base coat gel. And I don't know how many times I've said that over and over again in all of my videos. I still continue to try to do it. And the reason why is because I love to use the base coat gel as the slip. It's so easy. I used a mixture of both. So now that I put this purple on, not on this nail, I didn't like use the mixture of both, but on another nail, I had used the base coat gel to make it, just to like put the bottom part on. And then when it came time to kind of ombre, I had used the alcohol. And it worked for the most part. Probably would be better if I would have just used alcohol the whole time, but I'm just experimenting, trying to see how different things work, and it wasn't too bad. Things have been super just hectic lately. Everything's just been so busy. The holiday times are so stressful. I mean, they're fun. I love doing all of the holiday stuff like the elf on the shelves and the Christmas tree and decorating and gingerbread houses and all that fun stuff. But I kind of just wanted to catch up with you guys. I wanted to just update you and let you know how I'm doing. This nail isn't really Christmas themed at all. It's super just, random, I guess. And like I said, I did it this way because Gershion sent me this kit and I had no idea how I was going to make this really Christmassy with pink and purple. I landed up not making it Christmassy at all, but I had the thought in my head to do something like Christmas. I'm going to be doing something here very shortly, and I wanted your guys' opinion and some, not really opinion. If it's a bad opinion, if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it. But recently, if you guys watch Natalie Carmona, I believe, she had announced on her YouTube channel that she was going to be getting a BBL, which is a Brazilian butt lift. And I thought that was super crazy because at the same time she had announced that, I was also researching BBLs. I've been wanting to get one for so long, probably at least maybe like 2 years. Back then when I first heard about it, it wasn't really popular, but now kind of just seems like everybody's doing it. So I'm probably going to be getting one too. And believe me, it's not because she's getting one. It was just like a huge coincidence that a girl who I love her channel, who does nails, is talking about getting a BBL. At the same time, I wanted to get one. So I kind of felt like that was just like a sign to just do it. I'm going to be getting a BBL probably sometime in April or May. I haven't set my date yet because I'm gonna be moving around that time, so I don't want to put a date and then have to move while I'm trying to either recover from surgery or prepare for surgery. So I did everything. I put my deposit, I did all that, and I'm kind of worried. I'm still researching the place I'm doing it on, but these BBL places are booking up fast. I know some doctors are booked out until like the next 2 years, the next year. Oh, and I'm just showing you guys the glitter that I wanted to use, and I'm going to put that on the purple nail. And this is by Klaws. She makes custom glitter, and her glitters are super cute. So I will make sure that I put her information also in the description box. Anyways, back to BBL. I will be vlogging. I don't know if you guys want me to put it on this channel or if I should just, put it like on my Instagram stories. I don't know. If you guys want me to put it on this channel, just let me know and I will definitely do it. I still have some time. I'm going through Mia Aesthetics and I'm going to be doing it with Dr. Towel. I'm not sure how to pronounce his name. I think it's Tool or Toll. But he's from Mia Aesthetics and he is located in Las Vegas, Nevada. I would like to go to Miami, but at the same time, if I were to go to Miami, I think it would just be harder. Because if I go to Miami, I'm going to have to go by myself and it's going to be super expensive. And I don't want to be super uncomfortable on a plane ride. So if I go to Vegas, it's not super far from me. It's like an 8-hour drive. and I have family out there that I can also kind of have a little bit of support. And then my boyfriend will probably be coming with me. And as for my kids, you know, when you have kids, they kind of got to tag along with you everywhere. So I'll probably have to take my kids with me, but I have, like I said, I have family out there, so I'll probably send them with my stepmom and my dad. So I'm excited. But now all I'm doing is showing you guys these decals that I have. They are Coco Chanel and they're purple and pink. Again, I totally freestyled this whole design. I didn't know what I was gonna do. I was just going with the flow. I thought this would be a really good video to just catch up with you guys and just chit chat and kind of just let you guys know where I'm at. So I hope I'm not talking too much. I really have some updates for you guys, you know, and I want to make sure that I keep all of my followers updated on what I'm doing and what my plans are. But if you guys have ever had a BBL or if you're planning on getting one, please put it down in the comments and let me know, because I would love to hear everybody's thoughts and how their recovery was, what doctors, you know, you recommend. The doctor I picked is very new. He's not like new to being a surgeon, but he's new to doing BBLs. I don't know if that kind of makes me a little bit nervous. I mean, he's doing some pretty good work that I've seen so far. So by the time it gets to me, I think he'll be fine. And he's not doing bad. I do like his results, and he's board certified. That was a huge, huge plus for me. When it comes down to Mia Aesthetics, there's not a lot of doctors that are certified. I know a couple of them are, but not all of them. But I have a lot of work that I still need to do as I work on myself, because I want to make sure that I am the most healthiest me that I can possibly be. I have to quit smoking cigarettes. I know it's such a bad habit, but I'm working on stopping. I keep on saying I'm going to stop every day, but I just haven't, especially right now, because everything is just so hectic and just so stressful, and I'm just trying to concentrate on myself, like health wise. I had some of my lab work done like last month. It really helped me to know what I need to work on. So far, everything's actually pretty good. The only thing is I am a vitamin D deficient. So I have to take like these vitamins of 50,000 IUs or UIs. I have to take that once a week. So once I get that up, that's really the only thing that I had problems with. So I'm going to be working on that. And then hopefully by the time my surgery comes, I'm healthy and in the best condition. I definitely want to get it done before I turn 30, and I'm 29. So yeah, that's my goal anyways. Like I said, my date is still to be determined. Pretty sure I'm going to do it probably around April, maybe May. That's what I'm hoping for anyways. So this is how my nails are looking after I filed them. And I do file them off of camera. And I am putting on some Gummy Jelly because I wanted to put some rhinestones. They were looking super plain to me. I know it kind of the nails have a lot going on already. There's glitter, there's ombre, there's decals. So I just added some rhinestones onto it because I felt like it was still just missing something. So now I'm going to go over it with some top coat. You do have to put top coat on top of the gummy jelly whenever you're putting rhinestones. So after I do that, I'm going to put on some rhinestones. And I know I didn't talk much about the nails, and I do apologize about that. So if you guys have any questions about what I'm doing, please make sure you let me know. And I will also list everything that I used in the description box. So after I finish doing the rhinestones on that nail, I'm moving on to this nail, and I'm doing the same thing, just putting down the gummy jelly, and then I'm going to go over it with the top coat and put some rhinestones. So now we are moving on to the pinky, and I'm doing the same thing, gummy jelly and top coat, then rhinestones. So my overall thoughts about this kit, I do like it. I don't really say it's like a starter kit just because it only comes with purple, pink, and clear. But this is definitely a good kit to get if you are just looking to add some colors to your already built up collection. So now I'm going to put down some cuticle oil, and yes, I put cuticle oil on my practice hand. And this is the final look. I think they look super cute. They're random, you know, but it was a freestyle and I really enjoyed doing it. I had so much fun putting all the rhinestones on, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I know I kind of talked a lot, but I just had a little bit to say about, you know, what I was doing and the BBL. So I hope everybody is being safe and happy holidays. I will see you guys in the next one.